I'm just gonna say that I've never been more disappointed in a tool purchased. To be honest, 100% just disappointed. So I was expecting this to be, I don't know, a simultaneous charger that charged all the batteries at once. And it is a sequential charger, which means, ladies and gentlemen, that it charges one after the other, so on and so forth. I really, what I did, and now, let's just say I got it for free, I guess, because it came as a buy one, get one pack for Black Friday. And what I normally do is I have a piece of wood lined up with all of my chargers on it, screws to hook them on, and then my batteries go on both sides. I have 4 chargers on each side of the of the wood, and a cabinet handle that I screwed into the top. And one of these at the bottom so that I can charge all my batteries at once. This I thought was going to alleviate that because it's rather bulky and long and heavy. Much heavier than this, obviously, and longer, clearly. So if anybody was expecting this to charge all their batteries at once, you are terribly mistaken, like I was. I mean, it does have a feature where you can move it on to the next battery if you have one, another battery charging. You can move by pressing the play button from battery to battery and so on and so forth. However, this is not what I was expecting at all. And I'm getting ready to actually return it and just get another tool with the max output batteries that I bought. I don't know, maybe the cordless router. Not really sure, but I mean, this is like bring it into your house at the end of the night charger. Put all your batteries on it, bring it in the house when you're done work at night. Or if you have a trailer, like I do, you have an enclosed trailer, you just leave this in there, plugged in, and if you just so happen to need it out in the field, you can bring it out in the field. But if you're like me, you want all your batteries charged at once and charging at once. That way you can put them on multiple tools and just keep it moving. But this, ladies and gentlemen, is not it. And you know how I could tell the last person thought the same thing? Because it came without the wrapping around it. And the directions were all crinkled up and thrown back in the box. Because as soon as he seen what I seen, and one charging at a time, he ran right to the directions. It was like, oh, fuck. So, well, it is what it is. Either ways, catch you on the next one. Peace.